Hello and welcome to the Original Wraps Webex training for Ford Motor Company, the Introduction to Graphics. This is part one. My name is Tom Stemple. I am the CEO of Original Wraps, and I'm very excited to have the opportunity today to share with you a little bit about the new product that are through Original Wraps we're introducing to all the Ford Motor Company dealers. This product is basically called On-Demand Graphics Program. Basically, through Original Wraps, Ford Motor Company and all of its dealers will now have the ability to offer to its customers a true on-demand graphics program. In a nutshell, what that means is that you will have the ability to personalize any of your vehicles, and for this purposes, today we're going to focus on the commercial graphics program. As you're probably aware, graphics are very popular in our society, especially on the commercial side, where many of the vehicles that you see driving down the road have advertisements on them for their business. It's been proven that these advertisements are in a very effective way, in a very inexpensive way for commercial customers to advertise their business and get the most bang for their buck. What's exciting about this program and the program that we've put together with Ford Motor Company is that for the first time, your customers, say in this case purchasing a Transit Connect, will have the ability to visit a website, go onto that website, identify the exact commercial vehicle they're buying with Ford Motor Company, go into a unbelievable technology platform, design their own graphics on their own vehicle, be able to save that graphic, have a professional salesperson and designer call them up, confirm that graphic, and actually give you the ability as the dealer to sell that graphic to that customer, enabling you to make a new profit center, enabling you to have a new way to get that customer into your dealership by offering a graphics program and truly offering that customer a true end-to-end solution for all their commercial needs. Today, we will be reviewing this program in detail and exactly how it works, and I hope that by the end of this training program, you'll have a much better grasp on the process, how to order it, how to sell it, what graphics are, and a number of other options. So let's jump right in, shall we? First of all, who is Original Wraps? We are the international leader for true on-demand personalization. We are the originator of dynamic graphics for the auto industry and have been doing this now for approximately 3 years. We are basically technology and design experts. Together with Original Wraps, we're way more than just a printing firm. We add a technology layer to everything that we do, allowing customers the ability to personalize graphics and engineer graphics for themselves. We also have an incredible design team, which has the ability to communicate with your customers and really help design the graphics that your customer's looking for if they're not comfortable doing it themselves. We have world-class printing facilities around the globe. As you can see there on the picture to the right, this is a sample of one of the facilities that we have. We have a number of these facilities around the country, and the corporate headquarters of Original Wraps is located in Lakewood, Colorado. Now, a little background on the graphics business. First of all, we only use the best 3M films. 3M is clearly the leader in all film supply in the graphics industry. Original Wraps, through 3M, provides a graphic film that's what we call easy on, easy off technology. When you see a sample of the graphic come through your dealership, you will immediately notice that there's a pattern in the back of the adhesive. Or if you run your hand over the top of the liner on the back, you'll feel that it's got ridges in it. This allows, when you put this graphic onto a vehicle, it allows to channel all the air bubbles out, really making it easy for either you or a professional installer to apply this graphic. We only print with the highest quality, high resolution printing. Many of the vehicles you see running down the road today with graphics on them are printed at very low resolution and are very pixely. We only print at a super high resolution, giving customers a true photo quality image to express themselves and express their business on the side of their vehicle. We offer a full 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, so if for any reason the material fails, we will replace it. And lastly, we offer a full UV-resistant laminate coating on top of all of our films, really giving the customer a very strong finished product, also giving them a nice high gloss product. This will increase durability, increase look, and really resist against UV fading. Now, I've been to a number of the dealerships, and a lot of them ask the same question: why do we want to get into the graphics business? Let's go through a couple bullet points here that I think will help you understand what the value proposition is and why you should be so excited to participate in this business. Number one, it allows your customer the ability to personalize. We are in a very hyper-personalization industry in society. We've raised a number of generations of people that are used to having things their own way. Take Starbucks, for instance. You can have your coffee one of about 1 billion different ways. We've raised multiple generations of people that want the ability to personalize their products. We believe that those people definitely want to personalize their vehicles. In this case, in the commercial side, we know that to be the case because each of us sees cars driving down the road with a company's logo and or brand or advertising on the side of their vehicle. Number two, this differentiates you from the competition. You don't hear a lot about dealers offering graphics programs on vehicles. Yet on the commercial side, every customer that comes in to buy a commercial vehicle, we believe most of those people, in fact, will then turn around, go to a local sign shop and get those graphics. Why not get those from you, and why not create a new revenue for yourself? Why not offer that customer a true end-to-end solution? Number three, this is low risk. You have to invest in no inventory. Everything that we do at Original Wraps through Ford Motor Company and our custom graphics program requires you to make no investment up front. The only thing that we sell to you and that you sell to your customer are those things that your customer has already ordered and or has already paid for. So there is never any risk of having to load up with a bunch of inventory that you may or may not be able to move. We believe this creates an incredibly sticky relationship with your customer. We believe that graphics, because of the nature of the product and because of the how inexpensive it is to replace it, we believe that this is going to allow your customer to come back to you and gives them another reason to come back to your dealership later on to order more products and to refresh their graphics, whether it's at the retail side or the commercial side. Next, we've got new revenue. You can make up to 30% extra margin on these graphic programs, which when graphics are $500, $1,000, $1,500 a piece, can add to your bottom line very quickly. And at Original Wraps, we do most of the heavy lifting for you as far as helping design the graphics, communicating with the customer, and so forth. And we'll get more into that in a second. So this is a great opportunity for you and your dealership to just flat make more money. And lastly, we believe it's going to just help sell more vehicles. Commercial customers are looking for one-stop shopping. When they find out that they can buy a new Transit Connect or an E-Series or so on from you, and that you can send them through our design tool, allowing them to play around and design their own graphics on their vehicle, get them emotionally connected to that vehicle, and that you get to be the beneficiary of that transaction together with Original Wraps, we believe that it's going to help you sell more vehicles.